Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make keto banana muffins. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 1 cup of butter, which is 2 sticks, and you want that softened to room temperature. 4 ounces of cream cheese, also softened to room temperature. 5 large eggs at room temperature. A half a cup of monk fruit or some other kind of sugar substitute. 1 small package of the banana sugar-free pudding mix. 1 cup of Carbquik, 1 cup of protein powder, the whey protein powder. I'm using vanilla, but you can use any kind you like. 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Preheat your oven to 350 and spray a muffin tin with cooking spray and just set that to the side. All right, now we are going to mix together our butter, cream cheese, monk fruit, and dry pudding mix with an electric mixer until combined. Okay, that looks good. Now we are going to add in our 5 eggs one at a time, beating in between each addition to thoroughly mix everything. All right, now we want to just go ahead and beat in our 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. All right, now you can just go ahead and add in the Carbquik, the vanilla whey protein, and the baking powder, and we are just going to mix that to combine. All right, that already looks and smells delicious. So now we are just going to go ahead and evenly distribute those into our 12 muffin tins. All right, I used up all of my batter and I filled mine pretty much to the top, so hopefully they don't get very big. This is the first time I've made these. So we're going to go ahead and get these into the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. All right, my muffins just came out of the oven. I cooked mine for about 22 minutes, but I saw that they were starting to brown like on the underneath, so I pulled them out. So we are just going to let these cool off and see what taste tester thinks. All right, all my banana muffins have cooled off. So we are going to see what taste tester thinks. Hey, taste tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Dang it, no, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Bye.